Okay guys, we're going to go and have a look at some of the merchandise in Mickey Avenue department store. Alright, I am guys, I am clear much here because I haven't got my glasses on, so I'm going to do that and look at it when I get home. I think it's 79 but I can't tell. I like the train and I like the castle. Unfortunately I don't like the price. Although having said that, prices aren't too bad. Oh, little choo-choo trains.
Something else for you because I feel really bad spending all this money on a hoodie.
Okay guys, Michelle has succumbed to the cold and she's had to buy a hoodie. We weren't actually intending buying souvenirs, but it kind of isn't a souvenir. It's a lesson to be learned. It's cold here at the minute. I'm perfectly fine. It's what, probably about 8-10 degrees. So it's okay when you're sitting still and like this and there's no breeze, but that breeze gets up.
You want to sit for a minute?
Yeah. Well, when that breeze gets up, it's nippy. Like I say, it doesn't bother me as much as you, does it? I'm quite happy.
I feel the cold quite a bit. So.
I don't feel the cold that much. Certainly not like this is nothing. I'll still be wearing shorts in Scotland. So we kind of didn't really look at the merchandise. We just went through the shop and bought that because Michelle was getting cold. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go and have a look at the castle. Yeah, and get a cup of coffee, warm Michelle up inside. Moving on. Okay guys, Michelle's feeling really guilty about spending some money on a sweatshirt when she already had a jumper back at the hotel. She didn't bring it. So I managed to guilt her into let me have a cupcake and a chocolate biscuit. Diabetics, here I come. Or diabetic coma, here I come. Okay guys, we've got my big biscuit, Michelle's big biscuit, coffees each, mine cappuccino, Michelle's black coffee, and I managed to guilt Michelle into buying me that. Yeah, get on it. Okay guys, we're going to try and see if we can get a picture of ourselves. Well, it's easy said than done. Hey mate. Okay guys, the castle's just starting to get lit up now. It's just coming dark now. you want to get swarmed around, stand in one place and start taking your picture, and everybody will do it. So you won't be able to see. We're going to go and have a walk over there and see what's happening over there. Set off prematurely then. I was putting stuff in my bag. Okay guys, that's a first for us. Pizza plan. What?
It's not. It just looked really good. I don't know why,
So they've got nothing in there you want to look at then?
No, I was looking for Christmas stuff for you. So.
Oh right, yeah, Christmas stuff. We can't find any Christmas decorations in this park. It's just totally unusual, isn't it? This is Disney, nothing Christmas. Well, anyway, we'll put it up to the back of the castle.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the witching hour has come. We invite you all to join us as a very special Halloween celebration takes to the parade route. 我们是黑巫婆哈迪斯和他们的朋友们，以及身着万圣节服装的贵客，将一起为您带来那浮海夜间巡游。 Dr. Facilier, Maleficent, Hades, and their hordes, joined by some daring guests in their finest Halloween costumes in Villains Cavalcade. Oh yeah! 你是尖叫 Halloween， 我是天生界。都听好了，在跳上桌面，让大脑不要躲躲闪闪，放松才能让我为所欲为，做上风地文，闯进我们的预测未来，我们也能移花接木。 我们能窥探你内心深处疯狂，愿望都满足。准备好了吗？来宾们，来宾们！感谢来到这魔法的盛会，大家在这个人间玩得开心吗？万圣节愉快！糖就捣蛋，别真的空高高挂，幸运并不渺小。欢迎来到巫术世界，空气四方注意，看不到人妖女，看看今后大家粉墨。 都听好，现在跳上桌面，让大脑无限，不要躲躲闪闪，心里放松才能让我为所欲为，做想做的事情，不问闯进我们的预测未来，我们也能移花接木，我们能窥探你内心深处疯狂愿望。
Okay guys, that's us leaving now. We originally wanted you to stop and watch the fireworks. The fireworks aren't for an hour and a bit, and we've got to catch a flight to Hong Kong very early in the morning, which means we have to be up at 3 o'clock, and it's kind of, it's getting on now. I've got an hour and a half journey back to the hotel, so unfortunately we're going to have to miss out on the fireworks, but we should catch them from Hong Kong. When we go to Hong Kong, we'll catch the fireworks from there.
So, Shanghai Disney. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs
on the
up.
whole. We didn't have a bad experience. It wasn't busy. Alright, some of the things that you say, you hear pushing and pushing. Yeah, when you're in a queue, people come up right behind you.
But they do that everywhere in China. It's not like it's an exclusive to Shanghai Disney thing.
Yeah, they come up right behind you, but the only annoying thing we had was the parade. We didn't suss it out. We sussed it out for the second parade. Yes. But we just walk right through. Gates open. We sussed it out for the second parade, where we basically stood at the front. in front of everybody. And then I got told off twice. In fact, one of the officials came up to me, asked me what was wrong with my legs, which I thought was very rude.
Well, she wanted to make sure you weren't disabled before she told you to move them. I can understand that.
I can't sit cross-legged. I've never been able to sit cross-legged, even when I was a mere sprog. But anyway, let's get out of here. What was I trying to say? I'm waffling now, so with that, I say it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from me at Shanghai Disney.
And we shall see you all in the morning as we travel to Hong Kong. Moving on.